create a workspace. So we have two kinds of workspaces here. So the first one, if you see here, workspaces, here we can create the shared workspaces, right? In this workspace, we used to publish our reports that are to be shared with others, right? So in this workspace is a kind of a folder or the path where we used to upload our or publish our reports and share it with others, right? So this is the shareable item workspace. The next kind of workspace is my workspace, where we used to publish the work videos, publish the reports for our own purpose, right? For our to save it in a personal reference. So this is the personal workspace. So to create any kind of workspace which is to be shared with others, then you need to go to this workspaces. Here we have, you can if you see, I have one workspace already created here. So this is the company where I was just taking the classes. So to teach the students and to keep the record of their projects, I just created this workspace, right? Now I am creating one new workspace here. So for that, under this workspaces here I have to create one. I have to click on new workspace here. So I will click on it. It will ask me some details here, right? So here I am giving the name as YouTube, YouTube projects. So here in this workspace, I will be publishing all the reports that are, or all the projects that I'm creating for my YouTube channel, right? So here in the description, I this description is not mandatory. If you see here, the red asterisk. So the red asterisk fields are mandatory, and without asterisk fields are non-mandatory. But anyways, I am giving the description here. This workspace contains all the projects or reports that are developed in the YouTube projects, right? So here we haven't created any domain yet. So this is just optional one. We can upload a workspace image as well. So we are not doing that as of now in the advanced. So here we can select the uh, license for it, the which kind of workspace we want to create. So for what license it is. So here by default it was pro selected. So I'm selecting it pro only. So pro is for basic Power BI features and collaborate on like basic features. For basic features we use pro, and like for more advanced or premium versions, if we want to access, then we used to go with premium per user license. So here that as it is for learning purpose, so we will going with the pro version. So just I'm selecting with pro. You can select any of the other as per your requirement and click on apply button to create it. So once it is created, then it will be shown like this. So if you see, this is the one with a name YouTube project. So here you can create app, manage access and workspace settings. So here you can just change the settings whatever you have done with it.